How to fix it looks like you have turned off permissions required when uploading photos or videos on X. This tutorial shows you how to grant the app the access it needs. First, long press the X app icon from your home screen or app drawer. From there, tap App Info. After that, tap Permissions. At this point, tap Photos and Videos or Storage depending on your Android version. Following this, tap Allow to grant access. From here, back out and tap Camera as well. At this stage, tap Allow for that too, in case the upload also needs camera access. Once both are granted, close out of App Info completely. Following this, reopen X and try uploading the photo or video again. If the error is still showing even after granting permissions, there's one more thing worth checking. From here, go back into App Info. At this stage, tap Storage. Following this, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the app to misread your permission settings. From here, reopen X and attempt the upload one more time. That's how you fix the permissions error when uploading photos or videos on X. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!